guys? Today hold on, restart that. Hey, what's up, guys? Wait, hold on. I need to say it. Hold on. What's up, guys? Hunting and fishing with Easton. Today we're going hog hunting. We already have 3. Here, I'll show y'all.
I got one that took.
Got a big old sow.
Dude, I had it. Hey, who's going?
Got this other hog. Big old hogs. Hey. Oh, it's about to fall off. Oh no. Okay. So we've already had 3. We already killed 1. So it's all good. So now we're gonna come down here. And oh wait, hold on. I have to show you my cameraman. Hello. We're gonna start in a second. All of them are talking right now. Well, after somebody's done doing whatever they need to, and then we're actually gonna start going out. We are all the guys. So we're riding on this other side, and Scott that has that green truck, and then Hagen has the white truck. And Hagen is the one that has the dogs. So does Scott. He has 1, and I don't know his name, but he has 2. But we're only using at least 1. And then here's all the dogs. Well, that's not all the dogs, but it's most of them. All ready to go. We already went way back there in the woods. So, it's gonna be scary. Let's hope we catch a big old boar. Big old. And I'm gonna show y'all Bryce. Hi guys, this is Bryce. I'm Easton's cousin. I already killed 1 boar hog. Oh wait, yeah, hold on. Let's see this hat right here. If y'all need plumbing problems, go right there. Hey, look at your hat too, boy. I got the nice one. Alright, so we're gonna start in a second, and we're gonna start doing a lot of stuff. So I'll show y'all in a second. Okay? So we're gonna have to start. Okay?
Get in there. Buckle up. Is he already in there? No, Hagen ain't in.
Look at that hog though. That's a mean old hog. Y'all really know what that is? That's a big old bigot. Alright, so we're going on the other side. The field I just showed you was over there. So like, let's say over there. But since we're going on this road, and then we're gonna go pretty far down there, and then we're gonna put right there. Let's hope there's a lot of hogs. I'm ready to get another one. What's up, Stella? Look at it. Look at the dog. Oh, Stella. Hey. We'll show you when we're on the other side. Hey, so you were actually recording? Now that we're on the other side, look at it. And now we're gonna have to start. Well, when everybody gets there, we're just waiting for 1 person. And we're gonna have to dogs out and do your thing. What's close over here? It looks like there's a lot of hogs over here, and who knows? Look at the really cute. I don't know what it is, a lamp or something like that. No, and it's kind of hard because there's a fence line. Like, here, see if you can look at it, if you zoom in it. Like, there's see the fence line? Actually just wandering off right now. One weapon, that could save us. And we are going to start what's.
Hey, I need to tell you something. Now we have 2 weapons.
Yeah. So we're actually gonna have wait, I wonder is there a fence line over there? Maybe we can go. Let's go.
Hold on. There's no fence line.
There is not.
No fence line over there.
They're all connected. Like there's 4 connected. There's some 2, 4. That's cool. So now we're gonna walk over here to see.
I lost our second weapon. But I have a second one.
Yeah.
It breaks so easily.
After this video, y'all have to y'all should comment down below, and y'all should see how much we caught. So, the dogs. So, we already have 3 right now, but we already killed 1. So, we technically have 2, but we're just gonna count it as 3. So, if y'all keep watching it, y'all are gonna see how much we had. Well, and like, y'all should see. Like, I should count them.
Say subscribe.
So, I'll see y'all when we're getting the next hog.
Yeah. Let me grab my truck.